How to fix camera can't open on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix camera can't open on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again. Now just type here camera, type Instagram and go to storage. Now clear cache and go to permissions and here you will find camera. Click on it and then just click microphone and click allow. Just allow all of those here and then go back and go to data storage and enable background data. Now just go back until you find storage and clear your phone cache here. Click clean up and click clean junk files. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.